Do you want to retire gracefully, but you have doubts or fear to retire because there's not enough in the retirement fund, there's not proper medical aid, you can't go to a nice retirement resort or village, you don't have the funds saved up, or there's not enough funds saved up for you to retire? Put your mind at ease, because I've got a legacy builder program, a high in demand program for you that teaches you how to run your online business, an online business fully automated from the comfort of your home. And you only need to work 2 hours a day. So the only thing you need to be is coachable. You make 100% profit in dollars from the comfort of your home. Putting your automations together, which means your business runs for you 24/7. If you are coachable and you want to put that stress aside because it's near to your retirement, you don't have any funds saved up, create your own funds, get proper medical care from your 100% earnings each and every time. Learn the skill on how to earn daily pay and passive income and get the lifestyle that you deserve in your retirement. If you want to start, if you want to get peace of mind and live your olden days gracefully, drop me a yes in the comment section and I'll get back to you.